Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya. Happy birthday to you.
What's up, everybody? So when it comes to birthdays, there's three things that I'm always looking forward to. The first is hanging out with friends and family. The second is going to be definitely the food. I always love the food at my birthday parties. And the last thing is gifts. So I'm sure you guys can relate. Those are like probably the best things about having birthdays. But with our situation right now, the COVID-19 outbreak, the first part, hanging out with friends and family, that's going to be a no-go because, you don't want to keep spreading the virus. We're trying to flatten that curve. But yeah, so that's out of the picture. The food, well, you guys already saw, we were able to eat some good food. Cake looked pretty good too. So that's done. And now the last thing that we have to cover is the gifts. So let's go check them out. Okay, so the first gift, since I couldn't spend that money to basically like set up a party where my friends and family can come and eat, I basically used the money that I saved up to buy myself gifts instead. Rather than talking to you guys about that in this video, I'll just post a link of my other channel, Hidden Grails, and that's where I do most of my sneaker stuff. So if you guys want to check out the Jordans that I bought, the link will be right there. So let's get on with the next gift. Okay, so the next gift is from my amazing girlfriend. So her name is Tanya, and she's really sentimental, super, super sweet, just 10 out of 10 in my opinion, Okay, so basically what she got was, she painted me like this really, really nice, like simplistic kind of drawing. We're moving in together next year, so it's nice to have like drawings like these in little frames that we could use to decorate our apartment. So I'm really excited for that. But that's not it. That's not all. She also gave me this really, really nice sweater. So she knows I'm into streetwear and that I'm also like starting a job soon. So she basically found like a perfect combination for both, and she ended up buying me this nice, you see that, kith? This nice little kith sweater, super comfortable. You can wear it like summer because of like the wind can go through it, and you can also use it as layering during the winter. And at the same time, it has that branding so that it's streetwear, but at the same time it has that formal kind of vibe to it too. So I really like that, and she just knows what's to get me every time. So shout out to you, Tanya. Oh, what's this? She also added like one little nice extra touch to the birthday bag that she gave. And it's her graduation pictures. Look at her. Look at her, dude. Oh, so cute. Okay, and the next gift, or the next shout out that I want to give is to my mom. So basically she got me this super nice camera that we're using to film right now. She got it for me like a month ago because she saw that I was starting to really get into YouTube with my other YouTube account, Hidden Grails. So yeah, once she saw that, she was like, oh, I should get you a really nice camera because, like if you're really serious about this, then I want to support you all the way. So thanks, Mom. And besides that, she also knows that I'm getting a job next year at basically like a private orthopedic surgery clinic next year. So she sees that I'm starting to get into the workforce and being more professional. So that's why she got me this gift from Things Remembered. And if we open it up, it's honestly like really, really cool. I'm sure I'm going to be using it a lot. So it's this nice little notebook. It even has a phone holder on the front. But when you open it up, dang, look at that. So this part is actually a notepad where I can be writing down notes about like patient histories and stuff before I presented it after. It comes with a pen, super nice pen actually. And on this side, I can have my ID on here. I could have like important paperworks here, more paperwork there. So overall, it's just a really nice, thoughtful gift that I know I'll be using a lot. So thanks, Mom. And the last shout out that I want to give to is to my dad. So what he gave me was pretty expensive, but I know I'll be putting it to good use. So I've had my laptop, my MacBook like Pro from junior year of high school, and that's what I used to basically apply to colleges. But it's getting really old and kind of slow now, so he decided to get me the new MacBook Pro, and this thing is huge. He got the 16-inch one, so compared to my regular laptop, like this is humongous in comparison. But yeah, like this is what I wanted to showcase to you guys for this video, like unboxing this and basically letting you guys know what my opinion of it is and how I'm planning on using it, for my job and for medical school too. So let's get right into it. So yeah, I also have two siblings. My little sister's helping me film right now, so I can't say anything bad, but they haven't given me a gift yet. So it's okay, we'll let it go for now. Taking out that plastic is just so satisfying, you know, always my favorite part. So now let's open this up and check out the laptop. Oh gosh, this is so heavy. I'm so scared. Whoa, this looks super nice. Alright, so we got our laptop right here in the gray colorway. And then before we get into that, it comes with the charger, super long coil, right here. So we got the chargers too, and what's in here? Oh, even came with the instructions manual. We don't need that. Actually, I'm not really a tech kind of person. You know, if you guys want to check out a really good tech YouTuber, I recommend my good friend and my tech guy. But now he changed his channel to KJ Hardrick. So if you guys like tech, you guys should check him out. But yeah, since I'm not a tech guy, I'm gonna need these just to learn how it works, because I don't want to use it the wrong way. I want to maximize how I'm gonna use this laptop. So let's get right to reading. Nice, yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this laptop's gonna be good. I'm gonna put it to a lot of good use for sure during med school. And the fact that it's a bigger screen just allows me to basically have a bigger screen as I'm studying, which I think is really helpful. And besides this, in combination with the iPad that I currently use during my undergrad years, and I'm also planning on having that iPad throughout med school too, I feel like they would be a good combination to help me just get through all the hardest classes that I might have or that I will encounter during med school. Okay, so just for a size comparison, just check out how big this is. Let's stand it up like that. And then here is my current laptop right now. And just look at that size difference. This new laptop is massive. This is crazy. But I'm so excited to get started with using it. And you know, I'm about to apply for medical school, so I've been doing all of my med school app stuff right here. But I might just end up transferring it right now to the new laptop, and you know, when I'm about to click that submit button when submitting my primaries, I might just do it on this new laptop, you know, just for extra good luck, because when applying to medical school, you need all the luck you can get, and any advantage that you can get, you gotta do it. So that's probably what I'm gonna have to end up doing. Right now I'm just gonna set up this laptop and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm done setting up my new laptop. And yeah, even though it's my birthday, I can't disregard the fact that I'm in the middle of my application cycle and that I should submit my application soon. So what I've been thinking for the past couple of weeks was actually submitting it on my birthday, you know, just for extra luck. So yeah, for the rest of the day, I'm basically just gonna be trapping myself in my room, you know, typing up my personal statement, editing any last edits that I need to make, and looking over all parts of the application just to make sure that everything is 100% accurate, so that I can finally press that submit button and have that load off of my back so that I can start relaxing again. So I'm done double checking my whole app, and I think it's time to hit that submit button. Like, oh man, if you guys are here right now, you'd hear my heart pounding. It's super scary. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, there we have it. We submitted our primary app. Oh, okay, yeah, now I feel like I can relax. Like, I'm so glad I'm done with that part of the application. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in and, you know, like watching over me as I submit my application. If you guys want to get updates or know what happens next, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button too. So yeah, you know, I'm hoping that the hard work that I put in here will lead to some good results. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time.